Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your push-to-start switch on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because your dryer won't start when you push the button, or because it runs when you don't push the button. For this repair, we'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the appliance that we'll be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Keep in mind yours at home might look a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. So we're going to start by turning our dryer around. So what we'll need to do is remove these screws up here in order to get the control panel off. Now that we've removed those screws, we can just tilt the control panel forward, and then we're going to slide our control panel to the side there and lift it out of the slots. And you can tell right here our dryer's seen some use, so what we're going to do is just get a piece of paper here and just wipe off a bunch of the dust and clean it off a bit. So the first thing we're going to do for the push to start switch is I'm just going to flip this up, and I'm going to use a screwdriver right here, and I'm going to pry off the button that's on the front of it. There we go. And now I'll unplug it. There we go. And now this tab over here is going to go over the top of that little tab that sticks out, and we're going to twist it and pull it out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement push to start switch, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So you'll see on this side of our switch right here, there's a couple of little tabs that stick out, and we're just going to kind of line those up with these little slots right in here on the control panel, and then we're going to twist it and it locks into place. And now we can plug it back in. And now we'll set the console back up, and we'll put on our button here, and that just pushes on just like that. So we're just going to set the console back up, and those little tabs will go right into the slots, and we can push it back over, and then we're going to set it down and line up the screw holes. Now we can screw it back in. Now we can turn our dryer back around, and then once we do that, we'll plug everything back in, and your repair is complete. So if you were in a candy shop and you were about to die, what kind of candy would you get? Because me, I'd get a lifesaver. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.